At approximately 2:50 p.m. on May 16, 2025, in Vineland, officers responded to a reported shoplifting in progress after store loss prevention observed a female suspect allegedly concealing merchandise inside a purse.
I used to, not anymore. Is she still on the sofa?
Yeah, she's right here. Police are here.
She has stuff inside the purse.
Mm-hmm.
You want to wait to see if she paid for it?
Do you want us to wait and see if the lady pays for her stuff or no?
You have it on camera now.
Technically, we have to wait until she crosses the doors.
Oh, Dennis is. Hi, I'm sorry. I'm Ron. I'm coming back. I work in this department, but I was looking for Dennis. He's not.
And he's in the store and we're looking for a shoplifter right now.
Oh, okay. How you doing, officer?
Good, are you?
Good, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
That's more than 15 items. There's no way they scanned everything together.
Is both of them? Both, right?
Can you start looking through self-checkout to see if they scanned everything?
Oh, 228, yeah, but it's going to be two
they have
females
it in that
shoplifting.
They are leaving self-checkout.
They are about to exit the store.
Pharmacy, the one,
Through the pharmacy?
yeah, they're coming to the side.
Okay.
Do you want me to make my way
They're
out the
about
door?
to leave through the pharmacy entrance.
Huh?
Copy.
No.
Wait to see if they're going through. That's it. They're coming. Just go outside. Just go outside. They're going to see if they're going to stop to pay or not. They're coming this way. One of them have a like a light blue. Come this way. This kid that way doesn't. They have a kid. Right there. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Both of you, come over here. Both of you.
Come over there for what?
We'll explain to you in a minute.
What are
Let's
we
go over
coming
there.
for?
Let's go over there.
She got the receipt for everything
That's
she
like I
paid
said.
for.
That's fine.
Is it both of them?
Yeah,
Both
both of
cards.
them.
Move.
He's got to tell you our policy.
What's being recorded? What am I saying? She got the receipt.
That's okay. They want,
What am I going in there for though?
they want to talk to you right now. You want to do it in public or you want to do it in private?
So why would y'all stop there? He didn't say me. He said it was not him. He said the green pen.
You said what?
Excuse me.
You can't tell me that I did anything.
They have it on camera.
Listen. Let's figure it out.
Oh, this motherfucker. My receipt right here.
That's okay, city. Just wait until they finish. Maybe if it's nothing, you guys can come, okay?
No, I'm gonna take my stuff. I got my kids. I don't have to wait here so long.
Let me find out who this belongs to. Let me go.
Why do I have to open my?
Hold on a second.
This my stuff? Yeah, you got your receipts for everything.
The thing on the car is being paid off. What about this stuff right there?
You can give us a receipt, we can check.
The juice, everything. Thank you. I'm no fake mom.
You don't want to check?
We're just getting her stuff from the
You say I took nothing, so I can sue you.
I don't like to look for the accused. They may not have any service.
So they have it on camera, sir?
What was their last and any contact with the subject?
We have the female about the pharmacy entrance inside the store. Okay, so we need some kind of communication. What's going on with her?
She can choose stuff in her purse. Her purse. There's
Okay.
in the payroll was.
Inside the purse. Open the purse.
Why do I have to open my
Because they
purse?
have you on
Can he
camera.
show me the camera?
They can show them.
Show
Okay,
them.
let me show me.
Right there. Or was it? No, it wasn't.
I'm gonna say the one is with them.
It was after this.
What's up with the purse?
You just told me that.
Yeah, I know, but be careful with the lady.
That's where
right
it started. That's
Grab
payroll.
your purse, I'll leave your water in the car outside.
Right in her
Grab your
purse.
purse, I can come in.
Okay.
Goes in that
Just
aisle.
grab the purse, I can take this out. I
She
don't
can
want
chill.
this in here. So
you
I'll put
want
it
to
to the
grab
side of
this?
the door.
Okay.
Show me the purse. again.
Right there. Stealing apparel in her purse.
Okay, so we're gonna go through it.
All right, can you give me my phone at the bottom, please?
You guys want to complain?
Yep.
Can you give me my phone
Can you get a
at the
receipt
bottom?
for it?
As soon as I get the stuff,
Okay.
I can get a receipt.
Can you give me my phone at the bottom?
Yes, sweetie,
That's
hold
the
on for a
last
second,
thing
all
we
right?
worried
What's
about
the
is the
time?
phone right now. It ain't going nowhere. It's on camera. Right? You. No, I'm sorry. All right. So we do want complaint action, right? Yep. All right. Go ahead. Turn around. Put your
Okay.
hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
This is hers. She brought this with her. Okay. Four to one.
Hold you one on the. Good.
You have to go.
724. I'm clear now. You want to pick that up for you?
No, I got it.
Do you have anything in your bra, waistband, or anything?
Nothing at all.
I don't want
I got
to
your
pull
phone.
you
got my
out,
phone?
but
Yeah, I got your
have
phone.
I
to
don't got nothing. I'm no bra, no drawers, no nothing on. Nothing.
fix that way.
More sure that's what you
I
want
know,
to
but I have to check too. Okay, lovely person. I'm about to take it off, but I
You
want to.
can't take it off. It's nothing under here.
Well, I have to check
It's
it.
I'm bald.
Yeah, we gotta
I just
check
told
it.
you
We just
that.
gotta check it.
It's so embarrassing that you don't
At least
put
we're
it
in
on.
here doing it.
Yeah, but like, can you put it back on at least?
Yeah, after I check, sweetie, I told you that. All right.
All right.
You want to transport her to Cowan
Doesn't matter.
and I get the receipt and stuff? Thank you.
Did she pay for the water?
Yeah, she did. It's
The other girl? I think
Okay.
she
On
left.
her receipt.
Okay,
So
but where's she at right now? Because you don't want to leave.
she was
her here.
saying
How long
she's
now?
leaving, so
She leaving.
I let her go. She wasn't in queue, so she can return and get it if she wants it that bad. I mean,
Right this way.
oh, he's getting it perfect.
Do you have any empty carts?
Oh, she's working. She's working. She's not cutting.
They're dented and this one.
Is it 20? Is this it? No. What was this?
Full to red. Runway 1 female for 18991. Copy 15049230.
This is for you guys?
Thank you. And I just want to get a quick picture of her on camera real quick.
Picture of her face you want?
Yeah,
That's when you're
and
probably
like,
gonna get is when she was in here.
Yeah.
well, not her face, just her in the aisle, like
Oh, like
putting something in it. Yeah.
She was just holding it and putting it in the purse.
You able to burn a copy of this for me, and I'll get it tomorrow, maybe?
Yeah, that's fine. You want me to just leave the entire file just together for you?
Yeah, just put it together and just leave it here. I'll come in early in the morning, so I'll probably come through like 7, 8 o'clock.
We didn't get her anything.
I'll get it and bring it to you tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes.
She's the one that spotted it.
Okay. What's your name?
You.
Angelina.
Angelina. ANG.
ELINA.
Last name?
Yes.
And you spotted it on camera or in person?
On camera.
All right. You guys never approached them or anything until
At the door. We tried and then you guys got to it first.
okay. Okay, at the door. Okay. And then we walked up. Okay, perfect. Got it. All right. I give you the extra now.
Please.
4. What's the case number?
Are you ready?
104-263-263.
263. Copy. Thank you. Where's my name? You guys want to trespass?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what's your name? I'll say you want it, or you want me to just say Angelina?
Use
don't
both.
matter. Indeed. All right, I'll stop by in the morning, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Thank you.
You need 60s there?
Everything's here.
65, Victor, Mike Romeo, and Zulu 5, Victor,
You're right.
Romeo 5.
Let me see. Hold on a second.
I copy.
This is this one right here.
Oh.
No, turn off, buddy. On the left or the right?
Just send them
You
2
can
seconds
take
for
my
that
number.
working
I don't
at
have
This one?
Copy, we got them. I got the first and partner got the second.
So me turn it to the seat.
Very good. Probably, she's gonna stay put inside the vehicle. The door's open. She's alert. She's gonna stand by and give us a ride. Keep it sweet.
Pause it.
She's out of the vehicle.
Copy. 407.
Okay, good. Sort of the camera forward with the females, please.
479 West Park Avenue, DMV.
The suspect could face shoplifting charges, possible theft-related fines, probation, and potential jail time depending on prior offenses and the merchandise value. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like for more content.